keep the mosquitoes away while you play in the evening. Hi, I'm me, Lab Tech at Rescue, and today we're taking a look at the Mosquito Repellent DecoShield Lantern. Inside, you will find the very attractive DecoShield, lovely outer case, absorbent core, and comes with its own twisty and the little package of repellent. So first you're going to open up the top cap. It has a little pit where you pour in the repellent. Now this repellent's great. It's clove, lemongrass, peppermint, cinnamon, smells great. Nobody wants to be smelling like DEET. It just pours right in. The absorbent core will draw it down into itself. It comes with its own twisty tie. We recommend hanging these about 5 or 6 feet high, about 15 feet apart. The repellent is good for about 4 days, and if you absolutely love the DecoShield, we do sell refills for it. Bonus, once you've let the repellent pull down into the core, there is the option for the little luminary that you'll find at the bottom of the DecoShield. People still want to hang out on their patios when it's dark. If you add 2 AAA batteries in the little trap door here, there's a little button, and you can have a very chic patio luminary. My favorite thing about my job is I get a variety of bugs to check up on. Moths, ants, nothing like having a jar of 100 houseflies. I'm me, and this is our Mosquito Repellent DecoShield.